One of the things that we do here in Chapter 3 is focus on algorithm development. Each algorithm is simply a procedure that you use to solve a problem, and it consists of two key pieces of information: the actions that you want to execute and the exact order in which you're going to perform those actions. So as you're about to see while you work your way through this chapter, there's a concept called program control, in which you specify the order in which your statements are going to execute. And of course, back in Chapter 2 we demonstrated a variety of statements, and in this chapter we're going to be focusing on using Python's control statements to help us implement that program control.